Swati Pharmagnan. Today's topic is phase 1 metabolic reactions. So the previous video can explain you what is metabolism, introduction part of metabolism, and what are the various types of metabolism, and that and all part you can see for the previous video. So today's topic is phase 1 metabolic reactions. Metabolism plays an important role in elimination of drugs and foreign substances from the body. When the drugs will be entered into the body, metabolism plays an important role in elimination of drugs and foreign substances from the body. When the drugs has been entered into the human biological system or any foreign substances entered into the human biological system, they will show its therapeutic activity. After showing its therapeutic activity, then they have to eliminate from the body. So for that, metabolism plays an important role. Next point is liver is the primary site of metabolism for 90% of drugs. So whatever drugs we have taken, we have ingested, 90% of the drugs will undergo this metabolism in the site that is liver. Why this liver plays an important role? Because here in the liver, several isoforms that is cytochrome P450 enzymes are involved in drug metabolism. That enzymes are present in the liver. That's why it plays an important role for showing the metabolism. Cytochrome P450 enzymes are the most important group of enzymes in phase 1 metabolism. So in this phase 1 metabolism, cytochrome P450 enzymes plays an important role. Next is what is phase 1 metabolism and why it is called as functionalization reaction. Okay, we'll see that in this slide. Phase 1 metabolism also called as functionalization reaction. Phase 1 reactions are also called as functionalization reactions. Why? Because as the functional group of a drug molecule will be converted to another functional group in the metabolite, it is considered as functionalization reaction. When the drug has been entered into the human biological system, the functional group of the drug is different. After showing its therapeutic activity, it will be converted into another functional group by metabolism, through metabolism in the metabolite. So that's why this reaction is considered as functionalization reaction. Next is phase 1 metabolism converts a parent drug to a polar metabolites by introducing polar functional groups such as OH group, COOH group, SH group and NH2 group, etc. So this phase 1 metabolism reaction will convert a parent group which contains the functional group will be converted into polar metabolites by introducing polar functional groups such as alcoholic group or hydroxyl group, then carboxylic acid group, thionyl group and amino group, etc. and all. This reaction phase 1 metabolism or functionalization reaction involves three types of reaction. First one is oxidation, second one is reduction and third one is hydrolysis. So first we'll see the oxidation reaction. What is oxidation reaction? A large number of drugs metabolize by oxidation reaction. Under the first one is oxidation of alcohol. Here in the oxidation of alcohol, any alcohol, aliphatic alcohol or aromatic alcohol undergo the oxidation reaction to form the carboxylic acids. Means here the conversion of alcoholic group into carboxylic acid group takes place by the reaction that is oxidation. So this oxidation reaction is catalyzed by alcohol dehydrogenase, which is a cytochrome P450 isoform enzyme present in liver. So when the person has taken the ethyl alcohol, it will be converted into acetic acid by the reaction that is oxidation. So here one more oxygen atom will be involved, one more oxygen atom will be added to convert into acetic acid. Next is oxidation of aldehydes. Aldehydes will undergo the oxidation reaction to form carboxylic acid. This is aldehyde. Example is benzaldehyde. This benzaldehyde will also undergo the oxidation reaction. Introduction of one more oxygen takes place here to convert aldehyde group into carboxylic acid. So the final metabolite which is converted is benzoic acid by phase 1 oxidation reaction. Next is oxidation of olefins. Olefins are the compounds containing the double bonds. So that compounds containing the double bonds are called as olefins. They will undergo the oxidation to form epoxide. What is epoxide? Epoxide means oxygen will be involved. Oxygen will be added to form a epoxide compound. Carbamazepine is a form of dibenzoazepine derivative. Dibenzoazepine. Carbamazepine acts as a anticonvulsant drug and also antipsychotic drug. So this carbamazepine will undergo the oxidation reaction to convert into carbamazepine 10,11 epoxide. So that is a metabolite which will be converted from carbamazepine in the liver. Next, second type of reaction under phase 1 metabolism or functionalization reactions or reduction. A variety of drugs containing the aldehyde group, nitro group and azo groups will undergo the metabolism by reduction. Under this, first reaction is reduction of aldehydes. Here, the aldehydes and ketones will undergo the reduction by enzymes called aldoketo reductases. If aldehydes are converted into aldehydes are undergoing the reduction reaction, then it will utilize the enzyme aldehyde reductase. If ketones are undergoing the reduction reaction, then it will utilize the enzyme that is ketone reductase. Example under this reaction is chlorol. This is chlorol which contains the aldehyde group, that is the CHO group. This will be converted into trichloroethanol. So here two hydrogens will be added to convert aldehyde group into alcoholic group in the presence of enzyme that is aldehyde reductase in the liver. Next one is reduction of nitro compounds. If any aromatic nitro compounds are present, that will undergo the enzymatic reduction to form aromatic amines. Here, two oxygen atoms are present to the nitrogen, that is nitro group. Example for understanding the reduction of nitro compounds is nitrazepam is the example. Nitrazepam is a benzodiazepine derivative. It acts as a sedative, hypnotic and also shows anticonvulsant activity. This nitrazepam, it will undergo the reduction. So addition of two hydrogen occurs and removal of two oxygen atoms occurs. So these two hydrogens will be attached to the nitrogen to convert the nitro group into amino group. So that is how nitrazepam, which is a derivative, which is a drug, will be converted into amino nitrazepam, which is a metabolite. The last reaction under phase 1 metabolic reactions are hydrolysis reactions. Drugs containing the ester group or amide functional groups will undergo the metabolism by hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is nothing but if the reaction is taking place in the presence of water, then that type of reactions are called as hydrolytic reactions or hydrolysis. The best example to understand hydrolysis is aspirin. Aspirin is the compound which contains acetyl group. At this position, this acetyl group will convert into alcoholic group or hydroxyl group in the presence of enzyme that is esterase and water. In the presence of esterase enzyme, OH group will attach to the acetyl group to form the byproduct that is acetic acid, and H plus from the water will be attached to the oxygen to form OH group, that is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a metabolite which is obtained by the reaction of hydrolysis from the aspirin. Thank you.